Hi everyone, it's Vivian Resnick with Dalton Wade. I'm here at our newest listing in the city of Mulberry in Polk County, Florida, and want to share it with you. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool home with over 2,000 square feet of living space. Let's take a tour. Remember, if you'd like to save thousands when selling your home and have your home featured on our channel, give us a call. You can find us at listforlessflorida.com. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can find our handles below or click the red button to subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.